Hello, Dr. Danger Mouse here, and today I'm going to show you how to fasten a ratchet strap. So pretend we're fastening this table to something. We've got the ratchet here, if you look there. So what we want to do is we want this bit to be on the top. So we get the end here, we're going to feed this around the piece, like that. Just look at it from under the table. Okay, let's have a look. It's quite a long strap. Okay, once we've got the end, this is a mistake most people make, is it doesn't go in there, it's got to go up through the bottom there. Now can you see there's a groove underneath? You just feed it up like that and round the front. Okay. Pull it so it's semi-tight. There's a little strap up here. And then we do is ratchet it up like that until it's really tight. Press it down, and that is very tight. You can obviously tighten it a little bit more if you want to. Now to release the ratchet strap, what you do is you see these two lugs here. You need to push that upwards, so it's like that. And you'll feel a pop as it releases the pressure on the strap. There we go. That's the pop. And you can just release it like so. And that is all there is to it. Now, one thing I would say, I'll give you a little bit of added extra, is a lot of lorry drivers will put a twist in the strap when they're securing items to the back of lorries or open trailers. Now the reason being is if it's straight like that, it vibrates and creates a heck of a lot of noise in the vehicle. It'll go right through the vehicle, so if you put that twist in it like that, it will stop that vibration. So there you have it, how to use a ratchet strap. If you found this video useful, please press like and subscribe. Thank you very much.